Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the headrest in your Tesla Model Y. It's important to understand that the front headrests are integrated into the seat itself and do not adjust independently. Instead, you'll optimize your headrest position by adjusting the entire seat. This approach ensures both comfort and crucial safety for your head and neck during every drive. First, let's focus on the seat recline. You'll find the electronic seat adjustment controls conveniently located on the side of your seat. Use the horizontal lever to gently recline or incline the seat back. As you adjust the angle, notice how the integrated headrest's position relative to your head changes. Find an angle that feels supportive and comfortable for your neck. Next, consider your overall seat position. Use the forward and backward control to ensure your feet comfortably reach the pedals. Then, adjust the seat's height to achieve clear visibility of the road and dashboard. Remember, these adjustments work together. A slight change in seat height or distance can significantly impact how well the integrated headrest supports your head and neck. For optimal safety, your head should be centered against the headrest, not just the top of your neck. Ideally, maintain a distance of about 2 inches between the back of your head and the headrest. This positioning is crucial for whiplash protection in the event of a collision. Always take a moment to confirm your seating position for maximum comfort and safety on every journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.